Hi everyone, we are going downtown. Today is the St. Patrick's Day. So,
Gonna see the Green River.
we going to see the Green River. Kasi yun ang gusto ng aking bunso. So, date kami ng aking bunso today. Kasi yung aking panganay, mayroon siyang school today. So, ayan. Yun ang aming gagawin. So, yun ang aking bunso. So, so yeah. So, ang gagawin namin, papunta kami ng train station. Ito yung shortcut na puntahan namin. Instead na mag-ride pa kami ng bus going there. Lalakarin na lang namin dahil malapit lang naman dito actually. Ayan, I'll see you mamaya. Alright? Again. Bakit? Yan, naglakad kami. So, ito yung hitsura. Nilakad namin. So, at least another 5 minutes to get there. So, dyan kami pupunta sa train station na yan. Papuntang downtown. Ayan. Yeah, abangan nyo ang aming kaganapan today. I hope everything will be kasi ang init mga dear, as in. Kaya tinanggal ko na yung suot kong jacket. Kasi pag downtown kasi hindi natin malaman kung anong weather doon. At saka still March. Marami pang mangyayari sa March. Kaya we are very lucky today na gusto ng anak ko pumunta ng downtown. Para titingnan lang yung river walk na maging turn green. Diba? So, yan. May sa sa labas ng Fannie Mae chocolate, 'di ba? 'Yan ang tindahan ng mga chocolate mga dear. Uy. Ang sarap diyan. Where's my anak? Inawan ako ng anak ko. So ayan siya. 'Di ba? So kahit dito lang sa labas. So punta tayo ng nahanap namin yung McDonald's. Ewan ko saan yung sinasabi ng anak ko. Doon daw kami bibili ng drinks. Drinks is drink. Ito yung Starbucks, which is, yan, yung Starbucks. Mm. Ang bilis ng anak ko.
If he's walking too slow to do about it, we're in a city. I told you multiple times to pay attention. I don't give a shit.
So, dito tayo sa may, ewan ko saan na naman kami lumusot ng anak ko. Ang layo na ng anak ko. Parang ikot-ikot kami dito. Ikot-ikot. So, nakarating ka namin na banda rito. So, sa kabilang side na yon, after that building in front of us, ano na lang, ano yung mga here, lake. Yung main lake. So, yeah. So, where are we, anak? Kung saan siya suot-suot yung anak ko. Sunod-sunod na lang ako mga dear, as in. Kasi, gusto na talaga mamasyal eh. So, mas gusto maggalagala atong aking anak. Kasi yung isang anak ko, you wanna go that way? I think we allowed to go the other side, anak. Is that here? Oh boy. We walk. Anyway. I don't know. Whatever in there. Nak, you wanna go that way first? No. I think it's interesting to go that way. So you can see the other high buildings.
Long. Look, so far.
So can you imagine mga dear, ang as in, kanina pa kami nag-umikot-ikot. Pero alam mo mga dear, kung hindi lang ako mahilig talaga sa lakad-lakad, sa lakad na to talagang siguro lang tangkaputin na ako. Pero nandoon pa rin yung hingal ko, pero kaya. Medyo sumakit lang yung tuhod ko kanina na umakyat ako sa hagdanan. Pero alright now. So ito na.
I swear to God, if it's not here.
So we are here by what is this? Is this enough? I know. What is this? Is this?
Right there behind you.
I
I can't see it.
don't know.
Pues te digo, es más fácil.
So Randolph. We're at Randolph Street. So that way going west, and this way going east. So hinahanap pa rin namin yung McDonald's mga dear. As in, ilang ikot na kami kasi parang tinuturo kami sa ibang street. Cute oh. And another Starbucks, so which is a lot of Starbucks in this area. So this is Macy's. Yun ang shopping mall over there. Macy's. Medyo sinipon ako mga dear dahil dito bandang downtown medyo biglang lumamig ng konti. So good thing na may sweater akong dala. Pero sinipon na ako. Kasi kanina super nice talaga na tama lang yung temperature niya, but now
It's closed.
oh no. It's closed? No, there's someone in there. So ito yung McDonald's. So dito na kami. Ayan yung mga drinks niya. So doon tayo sa loob. Ayan, may shamrock shake na kami mga dear. From McDonald's. Dahil sa McDonald's lang kami naghanap, naglalakad. Anyway. So magkano yung isa anak? One bottle? How much? Yung one cup?
One of these? It doesn't. No. And for two, it's $7.98.
Oh, that's not bad. For two, $7.98.
I don't know how much.
Oh, wow. So, yan. Drink na kami.